Hi there, my dear. Now we're diving deep into Keevx Business AI Ads Generator, an all-in-one platform that promises to create AI avatar videos and ad content in minutes. The core idea behind Keevx is pretty compelling. It aims to streamline your ad creation process using artificial intelligence. You can generate human-like AI avatars that speak your script, create complete video ads with voiceovers, and even get AI-powered suggestions for ad copy and marketing angles.
Now, for the positives, the promise of a one-stop shop for ad creation is its biggest strength. Having the avatar creator, video editor, and ad text generator all in a single dashboard could save a ton of time. The avoidance of filming real actors saves money and simplifies the process immensely. The website also mentions features like AI script assistance and access to a media library, which are great for beating creative block. The website itself is a bit light on specific details and real example output. We have to take their word on the true quality and realism of the avatars and AI voices, which can sometimes be a weak point in other similar tools. There's no clear pricing available without signing up, which is always a minor red flag, making it hard to assess its value for money immediately. The risk with any AI tool is that the output might feel generic or lack the human touch needed to truly connect with an audience. The service offers three main plans: Lite, Pro, and Enterprise. The Lite plan costs $8 per month and includes 15 minutes of video generation, while the Pro plan is $30 per month for 60 minutes. The Enterprise plan requires contacting sales for a customized minutes package. Crucially, the banking parameter for all three plans is handled by Actant, which is the stated payment processor for both the Lite and Pro tiers. Goodbye everyone, and wait for new videos.